Hello, this is Sven Olaf Nelson at Pineapple Press and Design, and I've got another special project going on. I am mounting some Lego bricks to be type height so that I can print them. Wait a second, let me explain some things. Type height needs to be 0.918 inches to print. So these are my two Lego bases, along with the white piece that's going to symbolize what I'm going to put on top. I want these to be modular, so I'm going to change them out all the time. This is a micrometer. It's a great tool if you're a daredevil printer, so that way you can check to make sure everything is type height, so it'll print. So I've got 0.918 inches minus the 0.377, gives me about a little over a half inch. And this plywood right here is going to be great, but I need 3 layers of it, so I glued them together. And now we're back in the annex, setting up my workshop for the day. So I've got my circular saw, I've got my wood, my plywood, I've got these clamps. I'm also going to use a level for a straight edge that I'll line up with my circular saw. And I'm actually using the gray Lego square that I'm using not only to mark how big it is, but also to line up that level so that I can have a straight edge. And so that it's all in one spot. And, you know, the Legos are square, so my level will be square. And I'm just going to basically rinse and repeat and cut out all the strips that I can out of these 3 laminated sheets. Next, I'll get my jigsaw and I'll cut the other side of it so that they're a complete square. And then when I'm completely done with all of those, I'll have all the pieces. I actually take them into another saw that's my 1913 Miller table saw, and I square them up just to make sure they're really on point and I can use them really easily. So this is the point where what I'm really trying to do is take these square Lego bricks, make them modular so I can pull them in and out of the press really quickly and easily. So here's my blocks, perfectly fit. Next, I'm going to take the gray blocks and attach them to the plywood using carpet tape. Double-sided carpet tape works great. It does not move, it does not budge. It is super sticky and really hard to get off. So I rinsed and repeat, did all of them. I have 8 of them now. And now I'm going to just test to see how it works. And this is my little proof press that I made. It's based off the provisional presses. And these are their plans. And I just actually made mine a little bit bigger so that I can fit more into it. Don't ask. I'm weird. It's just the way I am. So now I'm just setting up Legos, so I can print a proof of concept to make sure this process works just fine. And what do you know? It does. I get out the ink, I put a piece of paper on, put some felt on top, and lo and behold, it works. So thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind, click the bell below so you can stay informed on what I'm doing next.